So far in this chapter, we installed a couple of utilities and Hadoop framework to set up our machine to run all the exercises we are planning to do in later sections. Now it's time to install Elasticsearch. To install Elasticsearch, we first need to download it using wget utility which we added in previous session. So let's do it. Let's open our terminal. Go to our common directory where we are installing every utility and framework. So we'll go to user local and we run sudo and wget and name the path, right? So we have the path. All right, so it's downloading this Elasticsearch file. All right, so we have it now. Let's see the file. Okay, so you can see we downloaded this file on our machine. Now we can untar it and then rename into something simple like just Elasticsearch. So once we are done with that, we will have a directory like this, and we can see various files we have in it. So all looks good. Okay, and we'll move on to configure Elasticsearch to run on our environment.